Hello and welcome back. Have you ever brought home a beautiful indoor plant, placed it in a cozy low-light corner, and still watched it slowly fade away? It can be confusing. After all, low-light plants are supposed to be easy. They are known for surviving in dim rooms, offices, even bedrooms with barely any sunlight. But here's the truth most people don't realize. It's not the light that kills these plants. It's the small mistakes we make without even noticing. In this video, we're going to gently walk through 10 common mistakes that can quietly harm your low-light plants. And more importantly, how to avoid them. So you can finally enjoy healthy, thriving greenery. No stress, no guesswork. Let's begin. Mistake 1, overwatering. The most common mistake and the most dangerous one is overwatering. It sounds harmless, right? Water helps plants grow, so more water should be better. Not quite. Low-light plants grow more slowly, which means they use less water. And when the soil stays wet for too long, the roots can't breathe. Over time, this leads to root rot, a silent killer. The leaves may turn yellow, feel soft, and eventually fall off. Instead of watering on a schedule, try this simple habit. Gently touch the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. If it still feels damp, wait. Your plant will thank you for it. Mistake 2, too little light. Low light doesn't mean no light. This is a very common misunderstanding. Even the toughest plants still need some light to survive. Placing them in a completely dark corner, far from any window, can slowly weaken them. They may stop growing, lose color, or become thin and leggy. A better approach is to place your plants where they can receive indirect light. Even a soft glow from a nearby window is enough. Think of it this way. Low-light plants are tolerant of shade, not dependent on darkness. Mistake 3, no drainage. Another quiet mistake is using pots without drainage holes. While decorative pots look beautiful, they can trap excess water at the bottom. And when water has nowhere to go, roots sit in it. This creates the perfect environment for rot and disease. A simple fix: use a pot with proper drainage, or place your plant in a nursery pot inside a decorative one. That way, you get the beauty and the function. Mistake 4, watering on a strict schedule. Many people follow a routine like water every Sunday, but plants don't follow calendars. Their needs change depending on the season, temperature, and humidity. Sometimes they need water sooner, sometimes much later. Instead of following a fixed schedule, try observing your plant. Check the soil. Look at the leaves. Let the plant guide you. This small shift can make a huge difference. Mistake 5, using the wrong pot size. Bigger pots may seem like a good idea, but they can actually cause problems. When a plant sits in a pot that's too large, the soil holds more water than the roots can absorb. This leads to excess moisture and, again, root issues. It's better to choose a pot that's just slightly larger than the root ball. This keeps moisture balanced and helps the plant grow steadily. Mistake 6, ignoring humidity. Indoor air, especially in colder seasons, can be quite dry. And while low-light plants are adaptable, many still appreciate a bit of humidity. Dry air can cause brown tips, curling leaves, or slow growth. You don't need anything complicated. Simply mist the leaves occasionally or place a small bowl of water nearby. Even grouping plants together can help create a more humid microenvironment. Mistake 7, over-fertilizing. It's easy to think that more nutrients will help your plant grow faster. But low-light plants grow slowly, which means they need less feeding. Too much fertilizer can build up in the soil and damage the roots. A gentle approach works best. Feed lightly and only during the growing season. Sometimes less truly is more. Mistake 8, not cleaning the leaves. Dust may seem harmless, but it can block light from reaching the leaves. Over time, this reduces the plant's ability to photosynthesize. A simple wipe with a soft, damp cloth can make a big difference. It keeps your plant looking fresh and helps it absorb light more effectively. Mistake 9, sudden environment changes. Plants don't like sudden changes. Moving them from one extreme to another, like from bright light to a dark corner, can cause stress. Leaves may drop or growth may slow. If you need to move your plant, do it gradually. Give it time to adjust. Just like us, plants appreciate consistency. Mistake 10, expecting fast growth. Low-light plants are naturally slower growers. That's part of their design. So if your plant isn't growing quickly, it doesn't mean something is wrong. Patience is key. Healthy roots, steady leaves, and slow progress are all signs that your plant is doing just fine. Caring for low-light plants doesn't have to be complicated. By avoiding these simple mistakes, you create the perfect environment for them to thrive. A little awareness, a little patience, and your plants will reward you with calm, lasting greenery. And sometimes that's exactly what a space needs. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.